You look like Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝐤𝐪𝐿 and I am back with another video. First of all, let's not talk about the hair because me and my mom attempted to do a sew-in for Christmas and
we just say this Amazon bundles. Why not?
It is 1:50 p.m. I don't know why I decided to do this because I have been on my feet all day. I'm not gonna want to do this any other day but today because I'm already in the cleaning spirit and my room is a hot mess. Like I said guys, I'm gonna try and be as consistent as possible coming into 2025 and throughout 2025 because I have some goals that I want to reach, and consistency and discipline is something that I need to develop for 2025. 2024 was a year of trial and error. It was a year of making mistakes, and 2025 will not be that. 2024 was a year of stagnation. 2025 will be a year of growth and progress. Let me show you guys my room. Also guys, we listen and we don't judge. In this case, these past few days have been busy, you know,
cooking, cleaning, all that stuff.
This is raw.
Jesus is Lord! Hey! God. Hey, Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
I got silk bed sheets, which I've been wanting for the longest time because it's good for hair, and like now I don't have to wear a bonnet, or if my bonnet falls off it's not going to affect my hair that much because the bonnets be slipping off, like they just disappear.
Nightmares turn into a dream. It gets so toxic.
I'm trying to do heatless curls to possibly help my crazy sewing, but it's 3:43 and I've done with everything that I can do so far tonight, so tomorrow I'm gonna sweep and take out the trash. Yeah, I need a better bed sheet. I mean, not bed sheet, blanket, because this is not matching and it's not looking cute. Anyways, I'm going to sleep because it's almost 4 a.m. and we got stuff to do tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's the next day, December 26th. Oh wait, I already showed you guys that it was December 26th yet, a few hours ago, but it's 12:04 and I'm currently getting ready because we're gonna go out, but I have to be fast because my mom is already saying that if we're not ready she's gonna leave us, so also guys, before I go, I just want to show you guys the beanie that I most likely will have to be wearing. Like, oh my god, bro.
Okay guys, so it's been a very long time, but I'm in Sephora and I don't know what I want to buy here.
Bro, I am actually like so
Body, whip, got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, and it's wrong, girl, I know.
Can't do nothing. If it ain't you, we just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. If we just stay, we can get it that way. Turn back if we gon' crazy. Feel what you.
Hey guys, so your girl is shopping again. We're at another Macy's because I have a party and I completely forgot to buy stuff yesterday. So I have some things at Macy's. This Macy's is low-key cute. Like guys, if you want to find like cute cheap basics, come to Macy's, girl.
No matter what you do, I try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. That's how the time to put the ice with your wrist at. I put your feet.
They have the other. Yes, in EOS. Where's deodorant? I need deodorant. My deodorant has ran out. Let me put you guys here. It's too late. I'm just so sad right now. I can't even make my freaking board. Hey y'all, so don't mind me looking all dug up. I just came back from my friend's birthday party, her C16. But I just want to show you guys that I finally was able to print my photos. But we went to CVS and I was able to print it out. Also at Walmart, I bought this for the vision board, but this might be too small for the amount of pictures that I picked and the size too. So I might have to buy another one and just make two. But I'm probably just gonna have to make one for this video because I don't think my mom's gonna go to the store anytime soon because I just know she's tired of me. But I printed out all my photos and I can't wait to make it. I'm gonna make it tomorrow. Tomorrow I have basketball practice. But yeah. I just love this outfit so much, and I love the color pink, if you guys couldn't tell.
I need you, yeah, I really do. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me what to do. All I know is hit the mall and see what damage I can do. Okay. Deep down, I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue me. Take me out the club.
Hey y'all, first of all, I'm really tired. It's 4:44 a.m. and the reason why I'm up very late is because me and my family went to church for a crossover service. So basically starts at 10 to 12 and we pray from New Year's Eve into New Year's, and we didn't get back home till like 2. So as you guys have seen for the past 2 hours that I've been up, I've been like tidying up my room, and I finished making my prayer board and my vision board and setting up my new calendar that I bought. Guys, I can't believe that it's January 1st, 2025. We made it into 2025, y'all. So yeah, guys, I'm tired and I can't believe it's 2025, but I can't wait to see what it has in store. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those post notification bells so you know whenever I do post a new video. This is the first ever New Year's reset that I actually did, that I recorded successfully, because my last one was very rushed and I did not like that one. But I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for what's next for 2025. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on those post notification bells so you know whenever you post a new video. I love you guys so much.
Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the market.